Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make a mouse trap. Just because while I think about the disturbance of the mouse, I couldn't feel that I should kill it, so I had to think of something that I can capture and throw it away. So anyway, I'm gonna show you like whatever I have in my house, use it to make the mouse trap. As you can see, first I tried with papers. It's with paper and this metal, like very thin metal cables. So I cut a bottle. You might wonder why the bottle is very dirty. Well, it's not actually dirt, it's the oil. When the oil got old, it was like this. I kept the oil also because it will help for the mouse, like it will attract the mouse. So anyway, I cut this paper into this shape. I'll show you why I make this shape. I use this glue to glue up all the papers to make it thick and strong. This paper is already hard, but putting all those together with the glue, it will make it more harder, and you will see why it needs to be hard. So this shape, it will just be like that. When the trigger is activated, it will turn off like that. So anyway, I was planning to use this paper to work like that, like a door. I use those thin cables to stick it with that bottle I cut. And now I'm gonna attach that paper door with this, and I'll show you to activate the mechanism where you have to do more holes so that like you'll see the whole process. So anyway, I already attached it, but it looks like the paper is a little bit soft, like the way I made the main door very hard. Those papers are not that thick, so it kind of didn't attach good. Anyway, I will make holes to those 2 points and you will see why. So anyway, you can see I removed those papers and I used plastic by cutting another bottle, and now it is really hard. And I will show you the mechanism right now when I attach it and when the mouse pulls it. As you can see, there is another metal cable. It's kinda thick than other one, and it will work exactly like that. I made some holes. There are two reasons for those holes. When the mouse is trapped, it won't have hard time to breathe, and also with those holes the smell of the food will go out and attract them. So I attached the rubbers. It's not that strong like spring, but it will do. And the way I put the rubbers, you can make it more hard if you want.